Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to log into GrandXChange. Theatre lists and operation information for shared procedures can be exchanged between practitioners through GrandXChange. GrandXChange bridges the gap between GoodX and non-GoodX clients, allowing for open communication between all team members. Logging in gives you access to additional functions, including managing theatre lists. First, let's navigate to the GrandXChange login and register screen. Before being able to log in, you'll first need to register your account. For more information on how to register your account, please refer to the Claim and Verify account with mobile number user manual linked in this video's description. Now, let us go over how to log in. Enter the email address or mobile number used to verify and register the account. Type the password associated to this account. Click on the See Password button to show the password typed. Click on the Now Hide button to conceal the password once more. If you unfortunately forgot your password, there is no need to worry. Simply click on the Forgot Password button and follow the instructions given. For an in-depth explanation on how to reset your password, please refer to the Forgot Password user manual linked in this video's description. Finally, click on the Login button to gain access to GrandXChange.